Nigerians fume over US mission visiting Sarkin Fulani Palace instead of the Oba of Lagos. So you see, the US mission came to Nigeria, and normally when you come around, apart from meeting with the government agencies on ground, you're supposed to also visit the traditional rulers. And if you want to talk about it, Lagos State is supposed to be a Yoruba land. So therefore, the king on ground should be the king of Lagos, the Oba of Lagos, so to say. But guess what? We have the US mission visiting, and this is not the north. This is actually the south, southwest precisely, and where they directed them, because guess what? They don't know where to go. They follow the direction of whoever is their guide or leading them in terms of whom is important and what to do. Instead of going to the palace of the Oba of Lagos, they were directed or led to the Saki of Fulani Palace in Lagos. Nigerians are very not happy with this development and have said, what is going on? That is to tell you that on the international front, this is what is being posed to them, that these are the main leaders. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. God bless you. Nigerians fumes over US mission visited Saki Fulani Palace instead of Oba of Lagos. Truly, there is a need for peaceful coexistence among different ethnicity called Nigeria. And as such, American trying to build bridges through her US mission in Nigeria by promoting understanding and intercultural dialogue through his recent visit to the Saki Fulani of Lagos Palace. I didn't even know that in Lagos there is a Saki Fulani Palace. I don't know. In Kano, do we have, for instance, the Oba of Benin Palace in Kano? Do we have it in Sokoto? Do we have for instance, the Obi of let's say Mwezi? Do we have his palace in Adamawa? So can you see that when people are saying it, some people will say, no, 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 no. Can you see that there is a ash plan currently on ground to fulanize Nigeria? Some people do not understand what is currently on ground. Some people think that it's just something, but there is more to it. Let's get all the details as we continue with the news. US trying to build bridge has come to visit, understanding the inter-ethnic dialogue through his recent visit to the Saki of Lagos Palace instead of the Oba of Lagos was seen by many as a right step in the wrong direction. The US mission Nigeria through its official page on the blogging platform Facebook shared photos of the peaceful mission embarked on in Lagos by its representative, where the Saki Fulani of Lagos was visited to discuss how to further promote inter-ethnic dialogue and understanding. However, the visit of the US mission Nigeria was seen by many of it as a right step on in the wrong direction, owing to the fact that Lagos State has a Royal Highness, the Oba of Lagos, the traditional ruler, who exercise traditional authority over everybody living in Lagos, compared to the Saki Fulani Halaji Dr. Mohammed Abubakar Bandamo II, who only control a minority group in Lagos. After photos of the visit were shared on its official Facebook page, it captured this. The US firmly believe in diversity is a strength and a weakness. Mission leader appreciates the discussion with the Sarkin Fulani of Lagos on how to promote ethnic dialogue and understanding. Meanwhile, some Nigerians reacting to the kicking against the action of the US mission of Nigeria as total abroad on the position of the Oba of Lagos to have been neglected and his jurisdiction, instead to go and visit the Saki of Lagos, who is a stranger in Lagos State. The intervention and good intention of the Americans were understandable, but his approach was wrong Americans shouldn't be visiting a visitor in another man's land with the purpose of seeking peace when the Oba of Lagos is the king over the entire Lagos and is very much alive and well. It is stupid decision taken by the US mission Nigeria to have gone to visit a stranger in Lagos rather than the peace talk with the very owner of the land, so to say, the Oba of Lagos. Lagos have remained peaceful since the ethnic crisis that has engulfed the country. The visit of the US mission to the Sarkin Fulani of Lagos might be a discussion on how it might discuss on how to draw peaceful coexistence being adopted by many to maintain peace in the area. What what do you think about what is currently on ground? I mean, Nigerians have reacted in no small way, and the reactions has been. I mean, you can imagine yourself what the reactions will be. The Saki, I don't understand. So that's what I was asking. Do we have an OB? Because we have the Igbos, okay, in every area of the land as well. The Igbos are the ones who go about, making sure that they do business, transact business with people, and what have you. We have the Yorubas in other people's land as well. We have even, minority tribe in other. Do we have their kings representing this minority group? Because this is what we are talking about, Ruga. When they came up with the initiative of Ruga, the plan was to take over people's land where you in your own place you have refused the people to live and coexist very well, but you want people to take you in at all costs, whether they like it or not. That's not a very healthy way to live. But this is what Nigerian government is trying to impose on us by the present administration that is on ground. This is not acceptable in any way, form, or kind. So every hand needs to be on deck. Everybody needs to rise up to the occasion that this is not acceptable. It's a very good move, don't get me wrong. Very good move coming, to ensure that there is peace so that people can peacefully coexist. Oh, what a wonderful move. In fact, you've done well. But there's a way you do something well at the wrong time or at the wrong way. And this is exactly what has gone on. Something has gone wrong with the plan. Nigerians, I would like to hear from you on what you think. This Saki, I don't understand where and when, we have this Fulani, head in head in Lagos. When? What happened? How did he get there? How did this happen? When? So these are questions we should be asking ourselves. God bless you. Bye for now.